Today, we're unboxing a spy camera that looks just like a regular clock, but inside, it hides a powerful 4K Wi-Fi camera with a 70-degree wide-angle lens. Let's see what's inside the box and how easy it is to set up. Here's the box. It says 4K Wi-Fi clock camera right on top. On the side, you'll find all the specs listed: full 4K video recording, motion detection, night vision, and a 170-degree wide-angle lens. The packaging looks simple but feels quite premium. Let's open it up. Right on top, we get the clock camera itself. It feels solid and well built. Underneath, you'll find the basic accessories: a USB charging cable, a user manual, and a small reset pin. The packaging's neat and organized. Nothing fancy, but very practical. Let's take a closer look. On the front, we've got the digital clock display. At the back, there's the charging port and a micro SD card slot. The hidden camera lens is completely invisible. You can't spot it unless you know where to look. The 170-degree wide-angle lens covers almost an entire room, perfect for home or office surveillance. Now let's power it on. Just plug in the USB cable and the device turns on automatically. To connect it, install the HDLiveCam or Tuya Smart app from the Play Store or App Store. Once you open the app, tap Add Device, connect to Wi-Fi, and within seconds, your live camera feed is ready. It's honestly one of the easiest setups I've tested. The live view is super clear, true 4K resolution with good color balance. The wide-angle lens easily captures the entire room. Even in night mode, the image is surprisingly sharp thanks to its built-in infrared LEDs. You can easily monitor everything even in complete darkness. And the best part? This clock looks totally normal. No one will ever guess that there's a spy camera inside. You can use it for home security, nanny monitoring, office safety, or even for catching intruders discreetly. So that was the 4K Wi-Fi Spy Clock Camera. Compact, powerful, and incredibly easy to use. If you're looking for a hidden surveillance device that blends into your home, this one's a solid choice. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. See you in the next tech review.